Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Computer Tips and Programming. So Udemy has again updated a new course. This is a course based on the quiz app, okay, and in this quiz they will use HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So before going to tell about this course, I would like to tell you that before a few minutes I just updated one new video. I have just posted in my channel new video. This video is free of cost for HTML5 and CSS3, so please go through first that one, so you'll get the overall idea about HTML5 and CSS3 and then go for this video, okay. So and then you can understand how to make a project based on the HTML5 and CSS3, and this is also free of cost, okay. And if you are in college, so it will be very beneficial for you, because you can show your projects in somewhere else, in some colleges and all, where you are going to show your projects, okay. And let me tell you about this project, okay. They are going to see here how they are going to build a new video, like from, and they will tell you about the APIs of Fetch API to load the question from the open tribal, and many more things they are going to discuss with you in display, hard coded questions and answer, everything, create a style and the game pages. This is a very important video, okay. So please enroll this video and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. And this video only for 2 hours, and overall 14 lectures, okay. And this video will be in English. So again I am saying, please share with your friends and family who need this video, okay, who need this course, and they are going to provide you certification also, so you can get the certificate, and as well as you can know about how to build a project based on the HTML5 and CSS3. And again I am telling you guys, if you will grow and if you go to any company and all, it will be very beneficial for you, because these are the basic languages you should know about these things, okay. Because in upcoming days many projects are coming on the basis of this, okay, website projects and all, so it will be very helpful for you. So please watch this complete course, okay, and get the certification. It's only for 2 hours only, nothing much, okay. And subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Thank you.